Now in this part, we added the goat meat in the water, in the hot water, and make sure when you're cleaning, they have this thing here, like on the meat. You want to get rid of them. This one you don't cook this part here. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the ingredients that you need to add. This one here, tomato paste, this one green onions, Maggi. It comes in a cube also. So this onion, need some parsley. Oops. And you also need garlic, baking soda, because the meat tends to get it's kind of hard, so you need to, instead of letting it boil for a long time, the baking soda will make it cook faster. And some lime, and about I'll say two teaspoons of sour orange. And since you added salt in the water, and salt while you were cleaning it, so you have to be careful with the salt, so you have to taste it as the meat is cooking, then you can add some more salt. So and this will, green bell pepper. You need green bell pepper, and also some hot pepper. Let's see, where did I put that pepper there? And also thyme. I have some in there. Okay. And normally we eat goat meat with, this is called yam, and it's very good. All you do is peel it off, and then you have some hot water, and you just put it in the hot water with some salt and let it boil. And you can try, like with a fork or a knife, you kind of test and see if it's soft. You know, when it's soft, that's when it's ready to eat. So you can eat this with the goat meat in sauce. But then on the next video, I'm gonna show you the process on how to cook it, even if you have all the ingredients. But there are like techniques to cook this meat. Thank you for watching.